Welcome. Let's start from main. Double click on main icon and you will get the login window. Type admin as use ID and password as 123 and enter key. Press enter key. Then I'll show you the menus and menu introduction. I'll show you the menu introduction. We have menus inventory, main, inventory, employee account, sales, purchase, report, and window. Here I'm going to show you the brief introduction in every menu. Okay, first business information. This is the form you can edit or change your business information data. Second, backup database. This is the menu for backup your database. System setting. You can change some system settings or for example sales related settings are some settings are here. Likewise, purchase, party check, own check, inventory, and common, customer, supply and advance settings. Later on, we can see all the settings in detail. Next, invoice file setting. This is where you can set your invoice paper size and printer. Uh, okay, main, then skin setting. This is where you change your color theme of your program. And price code setting. Here you can set your secret code for your cost price. Then change password. You can change your password, default password. Now currently 123. Later on you can change your private password. Alert. While since we don't have any transaction, this alert menu doesn't work. In next demonstration, I'll show you how to activate this alert system. And fiscal year setting. This is the financial year setting. Start date, end date. Between these date, you can enter register transaction. Next, bank branches. You can find all the banks available in Sri Lanka, all the banking branches. I'll show you the main purpose of this information, bank information later on. Okay, last is logo and last logo of an exit. Next, inventory. This is where you manage, you will get all the task related to your stock. Here, item creation is where you register your product in your business. Next, item maintenance. This is where you maintain your existing item. For example, you can change the category, item department, selling price change as bulk. At the same time, you can change more than one item or bulk item. Next, item stock edit. This where you can change or manipulate your stock. There are several factors. Physical adjustment you can use, you can change, you can enter your open stock, you can change your stock, physical stock according to the physical and system stock. Uh, Drawings for personal, if you draw some item from your store, you can use this uh, menu item to record the drawn item. Likewise, loss damages, defected, expired, and production entry. Later on, we can see the uh, detailed detail operation. Next, synchronize item code. This is void menu. Uh, this is inactivated menu item, and item active and inactivate. This where you can activate or inactivate your item. Some certain periods, some items are uh, not sold, not sale in market. In that case, you can inactivate the item. Post sales cost. There are some situation the business you can sell an item without cost, but it will affect your cost analysis or profit and loss account. In that case, you can recall the invoices where item without cost, and you can change or edit the cost price. Barcode manager, you can add or remove barcode for particular selected item. Barcode print, this is where you print the barcode label. Next, label print, you can print expiry, production label, or production or uh, packing item related information. Everything you can handle in this form. An item bin card, you can cross check your item in this form. Next, employee master, this is where you maintain your staff records and setting privilege and setting report level privilege. Next, employee salary, this is a basic salary system in our program. Then account, in this menu you can create all accounts in a financial accounting system. And cash account, you can handle the cash transaction, especially cash, not purchase or sales. And bank transaction, in this menu you can handle bank transaction. In check account, all received checks we can utilize as cash, like cash. So you can use it for expenditure, for debtors, transaction with debtors or transaction with creditors, or you can draw, or you can enter a check as revenue, or you can utilize for purchase uh, fixed assets. In that cases, you can handle this form. Next, drawer balance. You can adjust the main cash or business drawer balance in this form. Manual entry. Other than purchase, sales, receivable, payable, or cash bank account, there are some entries. Uh, Manually, you can handle in this form. Since you have a basic accounting idea, so you can handle this journal entry form. Next, credit expenses. In this form, you can record credit expenses. In credit expenses, you have to link correspondent creditor in the expenditure account. So you can handle uh, credit related uh, credit related expenses here. Then cancel document. You can cancel documents here, expenditure, entries to entries made to expenses, and entries made to debtors or creditors, you can recall and cancel the documents. Next, receive check manager. This is where you manage your received check here, and issued check. This is where you manage your own check issued by your own bank account. And date change. Without deleting, you can change your entry's date sometime by mistake only. If you enter a date, enter a wrong date, you can recall them and update the correct date from this form. Next, opening balance entry. If you are running a all business and systemized by our Sopgate solution, then you can enter all the creditors and debtors information here, and you can enter their opening balances according your manual account books. Next, sales menu. Under sales menu, you will get only 4 submenus. First menu is sales entry. This is where you enter sales invoices. Next, return in. In some cases, customer return an item or group of item. You can handle here. An account receivable. This is where you receive payment or get payment from your customer. Next, account audit. Sometime in accounts, if you get some wrong entry or any bugs by our software, in that cases you can correct those errors from audit menu, audit account audit menu, sorry. Then purchase entry. This is where you enter your purchase transaction here. Then open purchase entry. In this form, you will enter purchase entry without inventory. Next, account payable. All payment for supplier are made here in account payable. Then return out. If we return some items or damaged or defected item, we enter in this form. Account audit. Any errors with the supply account, we can correct those errors in this purchase audit form. Reports. Under reports, you will get all the reports in the system. In submenu, general report, you can find all reports. We can see it in detail in future video. Next, account statement. You can randomly search any accounts, and you can give the date form, and when you click the account name, it will show the statement between the date. Day end report is the vital report form. This where you can see the day transaction summary. Normally it format like opening balance and day transaction, credit transaction, bank transaction, and all the transaction it happen in a business day. It will show it happened in a business day and it will show you in table format. Cash denomination. This form is vital the supermarket system. When cashier shift their duty individually, you can calculate the their session their session transaction information.